Hello everyone and welcome to my new video presentation on Celestia cryptocurrency. Another beautiful day on 17th of November 2023. Looking forward to discovering what's going on with this mess in the markets, having so huge differences out there. Take a look at that. For example, BTC is suffering, Solana is suffering for the past 24 hours, 11%, and you got Celestia up by 7.66. This is huge, guys. What's going on with this mess? We are no longer on the same page with these cryptocurrencies or what's going on. I mean, look at the biggest losers. You have the big guys out there, including Polygon, DIDX, Solana. I'm not going to include about the FTX token, which is not at the level it's supposed to be in order to include it in our videos. Yet it is important to consider that there is a lot to speak about Celestia today. So before we get into the topic, make sure to follow me on my main channel as well. This is, the secondary where I'm posting this video, and check out all the other videos. If you care about education and trading, then we have a one-on-one coaching directly with me. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video. By the way, you can schedule yourself a free conversation on our Calendly page, where you can, have a good time understanding how does the coaching works if you're serious about it. Links are in the description area and comments area. What's going on with this cryptocurrencies, guys? Well, Celestia is something I have to share with you that it has 168% for the past 7 days. It has 208% for the past 30 days. Take a look at this cryptocurrencies out here and tell me something that out of so high market cap has a similar performance. I'll tell you that this is not easy to be compared, and it's pretty much on the side of being unimaginable to be uncomparable, right? So this is astonishing, and it's just amazing, to be honest with you, how the Celestia performs in this market rally. I don't want to think about, but I have to, how great is going to move into the bull market, right? So being pretty ironic on the side, but I do want to think about actually, and I do have to perform that because Celestia is going to be one of the great guys out there in the bull market. When you're going to see this crypto at $40-50, you will see the videos that I've been posting back in the day, like 3 days ago on my channel, where the price action was $5.21, as you can see right there. And I was speaking about future targets at $6, $6.37, $6.40s, and $7 right there with the 3 Fibonacci extensions. And we are actually right there today. We are trading at 6.51. When I was making that video, we were trading a little bit below, and I was telling you about the targets above that we're going to touch just a couple of days ago. Now, the same picture and the same story follows through the upcoming period of 2024. Let's keep it pretty simple. What has happened in the past? Well, this is a major support appearing on 1.272 Fibonacci. At that time was already in an extension form, which is great. Then you have another little accumulation stage, which is indicating basically a positive retracement, finding support on the 50 days moving average along the way with 0.618. That's another major level that we're actually holding through. And the round number, which is something I cannot forget about, the $5 mark. It was right there. You just resulted out of a combination of great reactions with a continuation towards the uptrend. Absolutely normal. But what has been going on at the top was something else. You have a triple structure rejection. You are crossing basically the market to 72 reaction on the Fibonacci extension. There was a key level. You are breaking below that. You're double breaking below, but both times you are having the ability to keep yourself above the 100 days moving average. This is very strong, guys. This is very strong. I mean, I'm telling you in the most honest way, you don't see these charts every other day. Celestia is about to do the breakout as we are filming live. Celestia is about to sort of cross this top and go into an all-time high position. All-time high is considered price discovery, momentum, and the whole situation is driven by other forces. By other forces in terms of indications, of course. And that is a space where, things can go wild. It's not going to be a long time till we see Celestia in the double digits area. It's not going to be a long time till we see Celestia close to $50. I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest with you, to see Celestia probably on the peak of the bull run at triple digits area, like above $100. Considering how the cryptocurrencies and the altcoins are going in bull market, and that the bull market is lasting between 8 months and 12 months, even 14 months, depends. This cryptocurrencies that just printed 300% in 2 weeks. In 8 months, they can do 5,000%. That's the reality. Now, of course, today we have a market decrease. BTC is dumping. There is spot ETF applications undergoing. We're waiting the results of those coming out from SEC. There's some bit of an uncertainty going on, and people reacted by dumping their positions before these 3 announcements around the approaches of applications. There's many applications on BTC spot ETF. That's the reality. And, people find it a bit of uncertainty, and they might get scared if they are going to be rejected, but it's not really a big deal at all. There's going to be rejected ones along the way that there is going to be approved ones, right? So not all the applications will get an approval, but not all the applications will get a refusal. So keep that in mind. It will become pretty much as day-by-day activity and something people will get used to. Not in a boring way, but not in something mega news that would trigger 10% movements by having a spot ETF approved in 2 years from now. Things are going to be pretty common in that sense. Today, people react massively, but like I said, things will slow down with these things as soon as they get used to such moments. What's going on is the expectancy of continuation, of course, nothing else. And you need to keep in mind that there's 2 levels here that are major and will keep Celestia growing. 100 days and 200 days. And on top of that, depending how the extension of the Fibonacci and how the structures are appearing to move, will basically trigger many other informations that we'll have to research and approach at the right time. This is the current situation we're dealing with, guys. It's just amazing with Celestia. Nothing to be fearful, nothing to be triggered on the downside with this. You see that other cryptocurrencies have been suffering in the past 24 hours, and this guy right here is just dominating, which is no excuse and no surprise to me. Usually new cryptocurrencies that are coming out and they're having the great momentum right before rallies or bull markets are doing much better than the older cryptocurrencies in the space, which are having a level of stagnation. People enjoy into the new things. People would like to discover them. People would like to participate into things that are new. So this is one of the reasons why they have other abilities on top of the fact that they're coming with a better technology, with better services, and a very, very competitive business. Beautiful. When we speak about Celestia, especially, they are top-notch. That's it on this video, guys. I'm going to put out more and more updates on the topic, price predictions and so on. Make sure to follow me on my channel, hit the like button, and at the same time, if you have questions, ask me in the comments area. If you are looking for becoming educated about trading, looking for doing this on, part-time or full-time, make sure you get the proper skills and knowledge on the topic that triggers different actions by you, that triggers different performances and results on the right direction. This is a one-on-one coaching where I can teach you intensively, and you can qualify for a free conversation with me on Calendly where I can explain you more about it. As well, you can participate in our completely done for you trading. No prior fee, only commission from the profits we make. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and we're trading, through API trading permission, which is something you give, and we're just trading. You're completely outsourced. I can talk about these things. You can complete the forms. Every resource is in the description area and comments area right below the video. Make sure to do not contact me on Telegram, Discord, or any other social media that is not shared on my official channels, because you are going to get scammed. That's all, guys. Have a good time and talk to you soon.